Hello, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. Let's do something just for whatever it is you want in the new year. So just pick one thing for now that you really would like to manifest or have happen for you, however you think of it, for this new year. Some goal you want to reach or something you just want to have appear in your life. So it doesn't have to be your big list, just one thing for now. Okay, so what we're going to do is do some TAT together, and we'll put in the pot whatever's the biggest thing that's blocking that from happening for you without knowing what it is. So who knows? It might be some genetic thing. It might be some past life thing. It might be some leftover trauma from childhood. We don't know. We don't need to know. But whatever is the biggest influence right now that's blocking you from having that, that's what we're putting in the pot. Okay, so we'll start off doing our intention. That's palm over your heart chakra. That's midline near your heart. And we'll make this intention. And as you're listening, you just kind of drift. You don't try to make it real or believe it or anything like that. Okay, so in the heart pose, this healing's on behalf of you, your whole family, all your ancestors, your conscious and subconscious mind, all the parts of you, all the points of view you've ever been identified with, for all beings involved, all beings who would like to benefit, and it'll happen in a way that's safe and easy. So, okay, so when I say this, and the couple of statements we'll do, this is just a super short version of TAT. When I say this, it means whatever that biggest thing is that's creating a block for you so that whatever it is you want isn't just happening. Okay, so we'll do the pose, thumb and ring finger just at above the upper inner corner of each eye, middle finger in the middle, light touch, no pressure. Other hand at the base of your skull, so your thumb is just above your hairline, like that. Whichever hand in front you want. Okay, so you just listen. You don't try to make anything real or try to crumble the barrier or anything. You just hang out. Okay, so here we go. Everything that led up to my resonating, identifying, and connecting with this happened. All that happened, and I no longer resonate, identify, or connect with this. And then picture yourself, if it's easy for you to picture things, in the condition right now that you want to have for the new year. Or if you'd like, you can just write it down, or you can hear the words, but make it that it's in the now, not it's going to happen, but just see yourself in it right now. And then while you're in the pose, say it to yourself 3 times silently or out loud. So I'll say a really generic version for you. My wish has now come true. My wish has now come true. My wish has now come true. You can do more than one statement if you like that was way easier than I ever imagined, and now I'm so loving living with this reality. I can't remember my exact words, so I have to kind of fake it. That was so much easier than I ever expected, and I'm so happy now living with this new reality. That was so much easier than I ever expected, and now I'm so happy living with this new reality. So like that, okay? You can pause this video, of course, to do that for yourself. And let's do one more thing together. Let's just do a visualization of whatever we'd like for everyone, for all beings. Whatever it is you want, just it could be a word, love, happiness, peace, connectedness, joy, whatever. So, whatever that is, please say that to yourself while you're in the pose 3 times. We're now all experiencing whatever. And we'll do the 3 poses for closing TAT. So, I'll do this one. This is completely integrated now with my grateful thanks. God, or whatever name you like to use for that. God, thank you for completely integrating this now. Then we'll switch hands, front to back, back to front. This is completely integrated now with my grateful thanks. God, thank you for completely integrating this now. And we'll put our fingertips around our ears. So the thumb is behind our earlobe, and the rest of our fingers are snuggled up to our ears with our fingertips on our head. This is completely integrated now with my grateful thanks. God, thank you for completely integrating this now. And then the heart pose again. I completely allow and accept this healing and transformation in my heart and whole being with my grateful thanks. So of course, you can come back and replay this video and do it about other wishes you have, or the same wish, and then whatever is the next thing that is there blocking what you want, that will be dissolving for you. Thank you for your good wishes for yourself and for all of us. Wishing you the best, happiest, healthiest year ever in 2022. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.